two of the really exciting gift ideas that we've got for this winter are our leather bottle holders, and these are sanitizer bottle holders. So what we've done is just made it a lot easier for people to carry around the little bottles of hand sanitizer that they've got, and we've created this really cute leather case that goes all the way around the case. It's got a little trigger clasp on there, and it allows it to be attached to a bag, a bunch of keys, can be attached to a briefcase, anything really, even your belt loop down there. They come in two sizes. They come in the 50 milliliters and they come in the bigger 100 milliliters. They're both still really, really handy. The bottle literally comes out the bottom like that, and it comes with the bottle, and it's easily unscrewed, and it comes with a disc lid here to make it a lot easier to pour the sanitizer gel, and then it can be refilled, which is the whole idea behind it, so we're not wasting lots and lots of little plastic bottles. They can be refilled really easily and then used and kept really handy, and they can be personalized as well. So that's those two. So the other gift ideas that we've got are these really nice leather Valet trays, and they come in two sizes, a small and a large, and you can see they can be personalized with initials, letters on the side there, and the whole idea behind these is it's just somewhere to keep those little things that you might have in your pocket or in your bag, or things that are laying around the house, and you can just put them all in there. The larger one's ideal for a mobile phone in that section there, and you can put a wallet in here, and your keys can go in there, and you can put things like rings, bunches of keys, coins, anything that's loose that you really want to kind of keep in one place and keep really neat and tidy. They're made from our really thick hunter leather, so it's thicker than the normal leather that we would use for our bags. And of course, the bottle holders and the Valet trays are made from the same leather, and it's tanned, more eco-friendly, so fewer harmful chemicals are used. So yeah, buy them now. They're all available to buy on the website, and completely unique to Scaramanga. You won't find anything like this anywhere else.